All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at this Saturday's phrasal verb. So get along. Get along. Get along. Yeah. To be friendly with. Yeah. The cat and dog get along. Along, yeah. We want to get along nicely. How? Well, we are friends, so we get along well. How cool is that? Yeah. I want to get along with them. Yeah. How can they get along with me? Why won't they get along with her? See, why won't they get along with her? I'm not sure. They always got along with me. Yeah. I always got along with them. I always got along with them. They got along with me. Simple, yeah. So he always used to get along with us. Now, how can I get along with them? Why won't she get along with her? She get along with her? Why not? It always gets along with me. Yeah, it always gets along with me. I like how easily I can get along with them. Easily get along with them. Yeah, no problems. And be friendly with them. Easily. How cool is that? Yeah. I am getting along with her family. Yeah. Everyone in her family gets along with me. Yeah. We all get along nicely. How cool is that? Do you think she will ever get along with me? Maybe. She might get along with me. It depends on things. Yeah. I want us to get along. There is no need for unfriendliness. Yeah. There's no need for unfriendliness. Yeah, we can all get along. We can all get along if we work, if we try to. Yeah. If the cat and dog can get along, then so can we. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Get along. So let's try and get a picture. No, not quite. Okay. All right. So, can you use get along in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.